Hello, welcome to AFRS. Myself Divya Porwal, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Science. In this video, we are going to learn about forensic science important sections in Indian Penal Code. Content of this video: introduction of Indian Penal Code, structure of Indian Penal Code, and also we will see the chapter 1 also in this series. So let's start. इंडियन पिनल कोड को हिंदी में भारतीय दंड संहिता कहा जाता है. आईपीसी इज इनेक्टेड एट 6 अक्टूबर 1860 मीन्स इंडियन पिनल कोड भारतीय दंड संहिता 6 अक्टूबर 2060 में बनी थी. द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस एक्ट इज टू गिव जनरल पिनल कोड फॉर इंडिया मीन्स भारतीय दंड संहिता का नाम जनरल और सामान्य दंड संहिता है. मीन्स रूल्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर रन द कंट्री इन अ स्मूथ वे और इफ एनी पर्सन डू anything against the law, so he or she will be punished under Indian Penal Code, and it was drafted by Mr. Macaulay. Indian Penal Code came into force from 1 January 1862 और in simple terms भारतीय दंड संहिता 1 जनवरी 1862 से लागू होना शुरू हुई थी. मतलब बनी 6 अक्टूबर 1860 में थी बाय मिस्टर मैक्यूले और 1 जनवरी 1862 में लागू हुई थी इन ऑल ओवर द इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आईपीसी. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इंडियन पिनल कोड. In this flowchart, it is clearly identifiable that what I want to say, that in IPC there are 23 chapters. In this, all 23 chapters includes 511 sections, or it's simply understandable that which section is for which crime or what a particular section says. In this series, we study all about sections which are related to forensic science. Mainly, there are 5 sections in chapter 1, but in a basic term, we will study 1 to 3. So, let's start the section 1. The section 1 says that the title and extent of operation of the code, it means a particular line or designation from which this IPC can apply, and it is also called territorial or within India. Let's make it easy. If any person, he or she commits crime within India, all over the India, so that whenever he or she gets arrested, punished under Indian Penal Code. Let's clear a doubt that the Jammu and Kashmir was also that same rule or they have their own rule. So the answer is before 5 August 2019, the Jammu and Kashmir have their own rules. But after that, it will also include in Indian Penal Code. Let's move on the section 2. Punishment of offence committed within India. Within India means interterritorial. It says that the punishment which is given to a guilty person or criminal is only for in India, which is mentioned in the name Indian Penal Code. A line which is very important to know is the IPC chase you. का मतलब है आपने आज क्राइम कमिट किया तो जब तक आपको उसकी सज़ा नहीं मिल जाती आईपीसी आपका पीछा करती है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बेयर एक्ट every person shall be liable to punishment under the code and not otherwise for every act or omission contracted to provision there of which he shall be guilty within India. In this, we will use shall word mainly because who commit crime is have to punishable. And an exception in this punishment is not for an president, governor, foreign army, foreign civilian and etc. Next is section 3. Punishment of offence committed beyond but which by law may be tried within India. It creates a legal fiction, and this section says that if any person commit crime outside the country but that person will be punished under IPC. Let's see this with an example that a person commits a crime outside the India in which country that their crime is not considered in their law, but that crime under Indian Penal Code is considered. Whenever the person returns to India, that will be punished under IPC. All of these are the basic sections which all of you have to know about this. So that's why we start with the basic sections. In future coming videos, we understand many sections which are related to forensic science. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel so that it is easy to find the next parts of this series. I hope this helps you. If you have any doubt or queries, so just put in the comment section. Thank you.